Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by eliminating common blockers. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the phone's date and time are set automatically. This prevents certificate mismatches. Turn off any VPN or proxy. These intercept update traffic. Once done, restart your iPhone and the router to clear transient connection issues and keep cellular off while updating. If you have a Mac or PC, prepare to use a wired connection or the latest iTunes/Finder. That gives you a direct path to Apple's servers for the next steps. Once your basics are set, focus on network resolution. Flush DNS on your computer and router or switch DNS to 8.8.8.8. This fixes corrupted name lookups. Inspect the host's file on your computer. Delete any entries that redirect gs-apple.com because that blocks the update server. Reset network settings on the iPhone to clear bad Wi-Fi profiles. Make sure the computer's OS and iTunes or Finder are current, because older clients can fail to negotiate secure update sessions with Apple. You finish by attempting an update through Finder or iTunes. Choose Update, not Restore to keep data. If update fails, try the same process on another computer or use a wired USB connection. This isolates local machine problems. If update still cannot contact the server, use recovery mode, then try again, and only restore as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: check the computer's host's file for any gs-apple.com entries and remove them. If problems persist, contact Apple support for server-side or account checks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.